everyone. I'm Ferguson. I am living Ho Chi Minh City. Today topic is đó là P. This is the P. P for pencil. P for pencil case. P for P for P for P P for carrot. P for B for pea. B for pineapple. B for pen. B for panda. I see a yellow pencil. I see a yellow pineapple. I see a rainbow panda. I see a pink pineapple. Pink peach. I see a pink pot. I see a pink pig. I see a pink carrot. I see a pink pencil case. I like a pencil. I like a pencil case. I like a pineapple. I don't like a panda. I don't like a pineapple. I don't like a peach. I don't like a pineapple. I don't like a peach. I don't like a carrot. I don't like pencil cake. I want a pineapple. I want a peach. I don't want carrot. I don't want pencil cake. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.